If you spent money on SEO in the last 5 years, I need to tell you something. You probably wasted it. It's probably down the frickin' drain right now. Hey guys, I'm Camille DG, veteran nurse, serial entrepreneur, and COO at theseer.ai. And I'm going to explain why SEO actually stopped working, what actually replaced it, and why your local business needs to understand this before your competitors do. This isn't about bashing SEO companies. It's about the game changing. And most local business owners right now have no idea that the landscape has completely changed. By the end of this video, I'm hoping that you're going to understand what an AI operating system is, what an AI powered website actually does, why search engines aren't how people find businesses anymore, and why the businesses winning in 2026 are the ones who figured this out first. So let's go. In section 1, what actually happened to search? For about 20 years, the way people found each other or local businesses was through search engines like Google, Bing, Yahoo, search, whatever. So what you'd do or used to do is you'd search roofing company, plumber near me, or physio in Sydney, or NDIS provider in Melbourne, and you'd probably scroll through the results page. The businesses at the top of the page, of that first page, got the calls. Everyone else was down the bottom. They just lost business. So businesses hired these SEO companies, spent thousands of dollars, spent tens of thousands of dollars, because these guys would build backlinks, optimizing keywords, create content, hoping to rank on page 1. And it did work for a while. Then something completely changed. And it changed so freaking fast that most business owners didn't even notice. And this is when LLMs arrived. So I'll tell you what that is. It stands for large language models. What is an LLM? Better known as our good friends at ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and they changed how people search online completely. Think about it. If you wanted to find a roofer or a plumber in 2024, you might still Google roofer near me, plumber, physio near me. But in 2026, you're more likely to open up your ChatGPT and ask, what's a good roofing company in my area? What should I look for? Then ChatGPT, Gemini, or what have you will give you an answer, maybe even Claude. It won't give you a list of Google results anymore. It'll just give you a recommendation, and it will synthesize information. It'll tell you what to ask, what to look for, what the red flags are that you should watch out for. And here's the thing that kills traditional SEO. ChatGPT is reading your website. Bet you didn't know that. Google's reading your website, but ChatGPT isn't ranking you on the search results page. So it's deciding whether to mention you or not to someone who just asked a question. That's a complete shift, you guys. Bet you didn't know that. So in section 2, the difference between a website, like a plain website, or your website probably, and an AI-powered website. So I'm going to be specific about what I mean. An AI-powered website, it's not just a website with like a chatbot on it. A traditional website is static. So someone builds it for you, you put content on it, maybe you built it yourself for like $50, and you hope Google will rank it. Someone searches, finds your page, reads it, maybe they ring you, maybe they don't, and you'll probably miss the call. Because if you're on the tools or you're caring for someone, if you're a provider or a physio, that's the flow, right? An AI-powered website is alive. It has dynamic video movement to it. It talks to people. It answers questions. It qualifies your customers. It books them. It does the work while you are on the tools or while you are on the job. So here's what it actually looks like. Someone asks Gemini, ChatGPT, Claude, hey, I need help with my whatever, NDIS rostering. And the AI reads your website and says, here's a company that specifically solves this. The person clicks through, they find your website, your AI-powered website, but your website doesn't just show them a page. Your AI-powered website gauges your customer. It asks what they're struggling with. It shows them they're not alone. It can answer their specific questions. It books them a call with a real person. It sends them reminders so they actually turn up to your meeting, to your appointment, to your call. The whole thing can be completely automated, you guys, and it feels personal. Now, a traditional website is just a static brochure. An AI-powered website is a gun. It's a gun salesperson. And here's where it gets interesting. That salesperson doesn't sleep. It works for every visitor. It can qualify every lead that comes through. It books appointments, and it costs you a fraction of what a human would cost you to work 24/7. So in the next section, let's talk about SEO. SEO was optimizing for search engines, right? These keywords, these backlinks, page speed, all of it was designed to convince Google's algorithm to rank you. Now, AI engine optimization is different. It's about optimizing for these LLMs. Remember GPT, Claude? The rules have completely changed, and an LLM doesn't care about keywords the way Google did. It reads your content for meaning. It understands your value proposition. It decides whether you're the one that's worth recommending based on whether you actually solve the problem that someone on GPT, Claude, Gemini has asked about. So the game is no longer, how do we rank higher than our competitors? The game is now, how do we make sure that when an AI reads our website and our competitor's website, that it'll recommend us versus our competitors? And that requires a completely different approach, you guys. First, your website has to be clear about what you actually do and who you actually help. An LLM won't recommend you if it is completely confused about your value, who you serve, all that sort of stuff. Second, your website has to be comprehensive. So when someone asks ChatGPT a question about your industry, your website needs to answer it completely so that AI can actually point to you as an authority in that industry. Third, and this is critical, your website needs to engage. It needs to be interactive. It needs to qualify leads and move people towards a booked conversation, a booked call, because the AI isn't just directing traffic. It's pre-qualifying your traffic. That is what AI engine optimization is. And it's what every local business owner needs to understand right now. So in section 4, who this actually affects. And it's everyone. I know some of you are thinking, this is interesting, but does it apply to me and my business? And the answer is yes, absolutely. I don't care if you're a roofer, sparky, cleaner, plumber, mate, your customers are asking GPT right now for recommendation. Even if you're a physio, a chiro, or dietitian, your patients are using AI to find you. If you're an NDIS provider, your referral sources, like support coordinators, they're actually asking AI questions before they pick up the phone and call you. So if you are any local business in 2026, the way people find you has changed. So you need to know that the businesses that don't are going to watch their leads dry up because their competitors will be the ones that AI, like GPT, Gemini, Claude, are recommending. And here's the part you should get motivated by. It's not a long-term shift. It's happening now. The LLMs are already reading these websites, you guys. They're already making recommendations. The window to optimize for this shift is open right now. The businesses that move first can own their market. Now, in section 5, what this means for you and your business. So if you're running a local business, be it a plumbing business, trades, roofer, NDIS, allied health, home services, you're an aesthetic clinic, whatever, dentist, and you still have a traditional crappy website, you've already fallen behind. And look, the truth is you don't need another SEO company. You need an AI-powered website, one that actually engages people, one that qualifies leads, one that books appointments, one that works while you are asleep or on the tools. And you need it now because your competitors, they're already figuring this out. They've already actioned. The good news is it's not as complicated as it sounds. You actually don't need to know about the technical stuff because that's for us to help you. That's for us to know. That's for all of us IT, AI people to know and serve you. You just need a website that's ready for how people actually are searching for you and your business in 2026. So here's what I'd like for you to do. Guys, if you're running a local business and you're tired of bullshit SEO companies or your marketing company charges you thousands a month, because I know they all do. I've talked to these people. Hey, we are happy to give you an AI-powered website for free. Yes, we love giving free shit away. Just pay for the small hosting fee per month and the software that actually runs this. We will show you specifically how people search for you in 2026. Just give us a call. I'll leave the phone number in the description. Ask for me, Camille, or Otto, and tell us, what do you do? Who do you serve? And we're going to tell you straight, is this fit for you? And if it is, we'll show you what an AI-powered website actually looks like for your industry. There's no obligation, of course. It's just a conversation, you guys, about what's actually working right now. Also, drop a comment below. Tell me what your business is. Are you still running a crappy, static, traditional website, probably hosted on Wix? Hey, they're amazing, but are you getting customers? Have you thought about what happens when your customers start asking AI chatbots or AI GPT for recommendations instead of searching Google? Guys, I read every single comment and I'll give you a straight answer, because the more local businesses that understand this shift, the faster we all move. Hey, you guys are the ones that make the economy go round. Till the next video, take care, and I hope to chat to you shortly.